let you down.
Good morning, Brandon.
Welcome back. It's Monday.
I'm Shauna.
I'm Dee Yang.
And these are your morning announcements.
Today's lunch will be a cheeseburger or Bosco sticks with mixed veggies and fresh fruit.
The Brandon High School Link Crew is hosting our first Cookies and Cocoa Cram session for any and all freshman students on Wednesday, January 14th from 2:30 to 5:30.
For anyone not playing in a winter sport and planning to play baseball, the weight room is open every Monday and Wednesdays and Fridays after school until 3:30. Varsity and JV hitting is on Mondays and Wednesdays at 4 p.m. at H.T. Burt. Freshman hitting will start on January 27th and run on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. at H.T. Burt.
Publications for Hawk's Eye View can be anything from drawing, paintings, videos, writing, to anything in between. To submit a piece, forms can be dropped into the locker or emailed to this address, hawkseyeview@brandon.k12.mi.us.
Attention all seniors, it's time to fill out the FAFSA. Go online and complete the information by March 31st. Also, please contact the counseling page on Twitter for more college news and updates at BlackhawksCNS.
Learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This club will be meeting every Tuesday, excluding half days, for 2 hours. The first meeting will be Tuesday, January 13th. If interested, email your name and grade to brandonrubikscube@gmail.com.
Do you love to sing? Do you want to perform with a live band? In order to be a candidate for this opportunity, submit a performance video to kate@rotpac.com or contact Katie Yeager at this email to schedule a tryout in person. All students will have an opportunity to work in months prior to the show with a band to improve performance skills. The showcase is scheduled for April 23rd, 2015.
There will be a baseball meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, January 13th at 2:30 in room 151. Anyone interested in playing in the spring should attend.
And those have been your morning announcements.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.